Do you have a hard time expressing yourself confidently and clearly? And are you feeling overwhelmed or stressed out? If so, Blue Lace Agate may be the perfect stone for you. This beautiful calming stone not only relieves your mind of overwhelming thoughts, but it also helps to unlock creativity and encourages inner courage so that you can express yourself more confidently. Plus, it aids in mental clarity and helps communication blocks, so you can say what's on your mind without fear. It also helps unlock creativity within change, bringing forth new ideas, inspiring you to reach your full potential. Meditating with Blue Lace Agate can bring feelings of calm and serenity, allowing for better communication with your spirit guides and the universe. It helps us to connect to our intuition, allowing us to find solutions that are in alignment with our highest good. In addition, Blue Lace Agate helps us to realign our energies, and which lead us to improve our self-awareness and spiritual growth. Its soothing energy is perfect for centering the mind and body during meditation, allowing for greater connection and understanding. Wearing a piece of Blue Lace Agate jewelry can help us learn how to communicate and express ourselves with empathy and kindness. It gives us confidence when speaking our truth. Blue Lace Agate helps inspire us to accept our own and others' emotions without judgment or fear. It also helps invoke inner peace and encouraging kindness when dealing with disagreements. When wearing as a bracelet, we suggest you wear it on your left wrist or your non-dominant hand, receiving hand, to help promote good communication and improve self-expression. Carry a Blue Lace Agate tumbled stone with you throughout the day when you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Keep the stone in your pocket, handbag, or in the car to use it to focus on the properties when you need it. Placing Blue Lace Agate around your home or in your workspace can help you maintain a peaceful, calming atmosphere. It can also help to break any stagnant energy up that may build up in your area and help you focus on your communication, allowing you to express your thoughts with clarity and openness. Its gentle vibrations are perfect for breaking through energy blockages associated with creativity or inspiration. To cleanse, Blue Lace Agate is a water-safe crystal, as we know from the Mohs hardness scale, as it grades at a 7. So you can hold your stone under running water to cleanse it, and you can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it underneath the full moon.